In this video, I'll show you how to create a realistic billboard mockup in Photoshop step by step. Link is in description to download image for practice. First, open the billboard image in Photoshop. Then open your billboard design. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire design and Ctrl+C to copy it. Go back to the billboard image and create a new layer above the background layer. Now, go to Filter Vanishing Point and select the tool to create a plane. Start creating the plane by clicking on one corner of the billboard, then the next until all four corners are selected. Zoom in to make sure the plane is created correctly. And once you're satisfied, press Ctrl+V to paste your design. Use Ctrl+T to resize the design and drag it onto the plane, adjusting it to perfectly match the billboard perspective. When you're done, click OK, and your design will be placed on the billboard. To make it look more realistic, add an adjustment layer and choose Curves. Then clip it to the design layer and adjust the light and shadows to match the environment. And that's it. Your billboard mockup is ready. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.